Gossips, trending, viral content, celebrity lifestyle. Welcome to.
After so many queries and curiosity regarding to Mohbad's autopsy, secondly, Mohbad's wife, if she had been interrogated, thirdly, the CCTV camera in Mohbad's house, why it was not working. Nollywood actress Iyabo Ojo reviews the latest development on Mohbad's case while also showing us the latest development on DJ Splash. That being said, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Loudly Gist Lover YouTube. Thank you for tuning in and watching. To my Tony subscribers, you guys are the real MVPs. Thank you for always watching and your massive support always. So, according to Iyabo Ojo, she said, update on Mohbad case. The case has been transferred to the DPP, Directorate of Public Prosecution, Ministry of Justice, while the police say they are still waiting on the toxicology results. Mohbad's remains have not yet been released. Also, Mohbad's wife has been interrogated 3 times to the best of my knowledge. 2 out of the 3 times was the day you all saw Mohbad's dad televised by the police, in which they addressed the public on Mohbad's case. Later that same day, Mohbad's dad, mom and wife was sent to Auntie for interrogation and to write their statement. Another day on Mohbad's wife was interrogated was the 21st of September 2023. Reason why Tonto and Senator Ishako Abo met her absence. Please note that the CCTV camera in Mohbad's house was never fixed or connected. It has no BVR nor hard disk. Good news, DJ Splash at DJ Splashgram has been discharged and he is recovering very fast. Very soon, he will go write his own statement and we will also be addressing the general public. God bless you all. Hashtag justice will be served. Hashtag justice for Mohbad. Hashtag justice for DJ Splash. Hashtag justice for our children. Iyabo Ojo went further under the comment section to answer some few questions asked by some people that wants to know more. And this person asked, na so una dey fool us for Naija. Hashtag Mohbad's wife has been interrogated, but we no see the video or what she said. We no see anything about her. Maybe she still dey mourn sha. And Iyabo replied, go to Auntie and confirm. They have videos of everyone interrogated. This other person asked, I'm so sorry to ask, why is everything centered around Mohbad's wife? Why is everyone trying hard to hide her? Yes, we want justice, but nobody should cover up for anybody or defend anybody. This caption here is defending Mohbad's wife. And Iyabo replied, how am I defending her? People want to know if she and Mohbad's dad and mom have been interrogated, most especially the wife. And I just told you they have. People have asked about the CCTV camera and I just told you they never fixed it. It's just cameras without the machines. So what exactly are you implying? And this other person asked, CCTV cameras was not connected. His wife should know more about this. At gistloverblog.mediahouse at Iyabo Ojo at Sam Clef. And Iyabo replied, Mohbad just rented that apartment and moved in. A lot of things he had not done before his demise because he just started making money. Chai, that part, he just started making money, got me so very emotional. Anyways, it is well, God knows the best. I thought he bought the house, never knew it was a rented apartment. And this other person asked, why the police don't show us his wife when they interrogate her, but they post his father? And Iyabo replied, interview was what you saw. Interview is different from interrogation. Oh. And this other person asked, You dey cover something, Aunty Iyabo. Dem televise Daddy Mohbad but dem no televise Iyabo Mohbad abeg. Who dey close with Mohbad the day he kpai? As for the CCTV, all na planning. The CCTV no go work before. No be Naija we dey. Aunty Iyabo is protecting Mohbad wife. And Iyabo replied, make I no talk wetin dey my mind. Make I just use my church mind pass because Otiyawere. And Otiyawere means there were also some comments here, and this person reacted and said, it seems some of you don't know the difference between interview and interrogation. His parents granted interviews. The video of them you are seeing everywhere is interview. The wife have not granted any interview to anybody. Interrogations can only be carried out by the police, and it is privately done. Make una dey calm down. You are just trying so hard to pin this on his wife. Everybody is a suspect until proven otherwise. That girl is just a 24-year-old. Imagine her as your sister or member of your family. The pain and anguish she must be going through. Her life is paused right now. It is almost as if she's starting all over again. Nobody truly know how that feels except someone that has experienced this kind of pain. I pray the truth prevails, that whatever is hidden comes to light, and that the guilty will not walk away freely. Kudos to at Iyabo Ojo. God bless you, really good ma. And this other person said, the wife and her mother have a lot to say. They planned it all because of his property. Then the last but not the least, this guy said, okay, one question. Why can't Mohbad's wife be granted a public interview, at least for Nigerians to hear her own side of the story? Just asking respectfully. And someone replied him, he said, it's better she remain low because some people are waiting for a word from her mouth to throw her in the mud. They will never be satisfied. With that being read, guys, the next one we have here is DJ Splash. Guys, just look at the transformation. Is that not a good one? Indeed, it's good to live right. I'm telling you. See his before picture and after. Omo, it is well. Oh, kudos to Iyabo Ojo. She really did a good and very, very nice job. Honestly, because without her speaking up for this guy, without Gist Lover bringing up this guy's story, gist on his blog, demanding for help for him, this wouldn't have been possible. All in the name of looking for greener pasture, and his life ended up the opposite. This life is indeed a small world. Nothing there for this life. I want to make it, I want to make it, I want to make it. Before entering into something, just make your necessary inquiries. Like, this thing I'm about to enter, the aftermath, the repercussion, is it going to be a favorable one, or the one that will damage my life instead? These are the, like just look at Mohbad. He said, and I quote, don't rush, because when you rush, it might be getting into something you don't know, and it's not everything you get into that you will come out safe and unarmed. Before Mohbad said that, believe you me, he must have had his regrets. Yes. Meanwhile, Iyabo just said he will be interrogated and he will be providing informations that will help the Nigerian police with this Mohbad case. Also, I don't know. I don't know why this autopsy of a thing is even is taking time up to this moment. Like, the tension is getting low. Like, people's ginger, people's eagerness to seek for this justice is dropping day by day. Before you know it now, it will finally drop to zero level if it has not, and everybody will move on. Nigerians, with the quick they adapt. Yes, so before you know now, it will be a forgotten case. But thanks to the likes of this lover, Kutu Juice, Iyabo Ojo, Sam Clef, and other bloggers that have been pushing this daily on a daily basis, It is well. That being said, guys, that brings me to the end of this video. And in case you're watching for the first time, this is Loudly Gist Lover YouTube. Thank you for watching and tuning in. Please do me that favor by giving this video a massive thumbs up. And remember to hit on your red subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell to always get notified anytime I drop new video or videos. On this channel, we react, analyze, we give trending gist, celebrity news, true crime, and true crime stories. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. Bye bye for now as I'm signing out for my next one. Peace out. I love you all. Bye.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.